Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing your keyboard environment. Press Win to open Start, then use Tab and arrow keys to move. Once done, enable sticky keys by pressing Shift 5 times so modifiers like Control and Alt stick when needed. This simplifies combos. Next, open Ease of Access with Win plus U, then start the on-screen keyboard using Win plus Control plus O if you prefer visual feedback. Make sure to test Win plus I to open settings so you can adjust keyboard repeat rates for faster. Now you move into daily navigation. Use Alt plus Tab to cycle apps and Control plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager when something hangs. For system actions, press Win plus X to reveal the Power User menu, where you can access Terminal, Device Manager, or Settings without a mouse. When arranging windows, use Win plus left or right to snap them to halves of the screen. Press Win plus D to show the desktop instantly. Make sure to combine Shift with arrow keys to select text or files quickly. To finish tasks, open Windows Terminal using Win plus X, then press I to launch PowerShell for scripts and automation. This replaces many mouse actions. When done, lock with Win plus L or sign out by focusing the desktop and pressing Alt plus F4, then choose Restart or Sign Out. If shortcuts stop working, make sure the keyboard is recognized. Open Device Manager via Win plus X, M, and check drivers. If needed, switch to the on-screen keyboard and reboot to restore full keyboard control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.